Hi, I'm Tonya Caruso. Welcome to Comcast Newsmakers, advancing the rights of women and girls. Joining us in our studios this half hour is Susan Frietsche. She's the senior staff attorney with the Women's Law Project. Thank you for coming in and spending time with us today.
Tonya, thank you so much for having me.
Well, let's begin by talking about the Women's Law Project and sort of how you got started and what it is you do.
The Women's Law Project is a nonprofit women's legal advocacy organization, and we're one of just a very small number of public interest law centers in the whole country that specialize in women's rights. We're the only one of that kind in Pennsylvania. And the Law Project was founded in 1974, but we opened a Western Pennsylvania office in Pittsburgh just 10 years ago. So we're celebrating our 10-year anniversary out here. And our Western Pennsylvania office covers all of Western Pennsylvania, a huge region, and just covers a wide range of women's rights concerns and issues. All of our services are free.
And so over the 10 years, what are some of the things that you have seen, or some of the cases that you have worked on that have made a big difference?
Well, you know, the law that protects women from sex discrimination is actually very powerful, but it is under-enforced. And so we're in a situation where women are making 76 cents for every dollar a man makes. Some professions are still all but closed to women. The poor and very poor are disproportionately female. There's just a huge agenda out there that we have to pursue if the world's going to be fair and equal for women and girls. And the law is a powerful tool, and it's often on our side, but we really can only make progress when individual women step up and speak out. And a great example of this is something that we did last year. Last year, an 11-year-old girl came to us because her elementary school basketball team had been discontinued, but the boys had not. And the Women's Law Project helped this little girl go to the Pittsburgh public school system and not only get her team reinstated, but get an entire new gender-balanced basketball league, which just completed its first inaugural competition series. So gender equity benefits everybody.
And so as we continue to talk, we're putting on the screen website and phone number where folks at home can go for more information. And I would like you to touch quickly on why you do believe this is important to everyone in our society, not just women.
Oh, because gender equity affects everybody's opportunities and quality of life. Sex discrimination hurts boys and men as well. And some of our very strongest supporters are men who are passionate about making sure that their daughters and granddaughters are going to have a fair world in which to live.
Right, and there's been so much in the news lately when it comes to women's rights. And so as you're moving forward and raising awareness, let's talk about your big anniversary celebration.
Yes, well, it's our 10th year in Pittsburgh, so we're throwing a big party. And it's going to be on Friday night, April 20th. We're holding it at the Pittsburgh Cultural Trust's Arts Education Center, which is on Liberty Avenue downtown, right near the Harris Theater. And we're going to have live music from a Kappa Jazz Quartet. We will have delicious food and wine. We're going to have a live auction.
And you have a big star.
Oh, yes. We are so excited about this. Kathy Najimy, the actress and activist, is going to be joining us and adding her sparkle to the evening. And you may know her from her blockbuster act in Sister Act.
She's been in a number of movies, television shows, and programs.
She was a Ms. Magazine Woman of the Year as well. So we're very much looking forward to that event.
And again, as we said, there's information on the website about tickets and more information about the program. And in general, the work that you're doing, if you could sum up what you hope ultimately you accomplish.
We want a world that is free from gender bias and free from sex discrimination, where every girl can grow up and be whatever she wants to be on an equal basis.
We thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today. We certainly do appreciate it. I'm Tonya Caruso. Thanks for watching Comcast Newsmakers. We'll send you back now to HLN.